variation, ADD. Now let us see the Mendels experiment. So if you see the Mendels experiment, he has done the Mendels experiment mainly based on the pea plant. Why he has done only on the pea plant? Because the pea plant has many variations. Okay, therefore he tested on the pea plant. So for that, what he has considered traits like a tall and a short. Okay, like you can see in the picture here, this is one tall plant and this is one short plant. Okay, so what he has done in the tall plant and the short plant, firstly, he has done the cross-pollination. Okay, so when he has done the cross-pollination, he has got that in the first generation, he has got 4 tall plants as you can see in the picture. Okay, these are the 4 tall plants. After that, what he has considered, from these 4 plants, he has picked 2 plants. Okay, these 2 plants he has picked up. When he has picked up the 2 plants, he has left it for the self-pollination. When he left for the self-pollination, he has got that 3 tall plants were tall and one plant was short. Why? But if you consider here in when he has done the self-pollination, both the plants were tall, but from where this short has come? This cert has come from the ancestor. Okay, because this short genes is already present in the tall offspring, that is in the first generation. So this is the second generation and this is your first generation. Okay, so from this picture what we have to consider? We have to consider the phenotype and genotype. Let us see how does the phenotype and genotype is done. You see. So he has considered traits as tall and short. His parents were like suppose capital T for the tall, and for the short we have taken as the genotype type as a small d. Okay, so you have to divide this into 2 parts. Capital D will be divided into 2 parts. Small d will be divided into 2 parts. Now, what I will do? I have to make a Punnett square. What will be the generation will be looking like? You see, capital T, small d, capital T and small d. Okay, you write it this way. Now after that, you just cross multiply. This will be capital letter T, capital letter T. This will be capital T, small d. This will be again capital T, small d. This will be small d, small d. This is for the second generation. Now if you see here, you see. The first, both the letters are capital letter T. Okay, here one letter is capital, here one letter is capital, here both letters are the small letter. Remember, Mendel has told that if there is one characteristic of the tall plant, it will always be a tall plant. Like suppose, if there is one single capital letter, like here, capital letter T, so this will be tall. Okay, similarly, since one capital letter T is present, so this will also be tall. One capital letter T is present, so this will also be tall, but here no capital letter T is there. Both letters are small t. That means according to the Mendel, if both the letters are small, then it will be a small pea plant. Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3. There are total 3 tall plants and 1 short plants. So if you consider phenotype, here your phenotype is your 3:1. And the genotype. Okay, now what do you mean by phenotype and genotype? We see. Phenotype is a physical appearance like tall and short, by which you will be seeing by your naked eyes. Genotype is a type which is your genes. Okay, what are the types of genes present here? This is one type of gene, both letter capital T. This is another type of gene because both the letters are different, capital T and small t. This and this both are same. That means the 2 genes are of same type. 1, 2. Okay, this is of different and this is of different. So if I write the genotype, this will be 1:2:1. So this is a genotype. Okay, and while we have got 3 plants as tall, as I already told, where small letter is capital letter T, so it will be a tall plant. Now, since there are total 3 tall plants and 1 short plant, the tall plants are called as a dominant characteristic and the short plant are called as a recessive characteristic. That means which amount of number increases, amount of number is more after the self-pollination, that is called as the dominant, and which one is less, this is called as a recessive. This was the first experiment which was done on a characteristic like tall and a short. Now let us look at about the next part. Okay, so the next trait he has selected as, the next trait is a round green wrinkle yellow seeds. Okay, these are the pea seeds. Okay, then he has done the cross pollination. He has got the F1 generation, and after self pollination, he has got the second generation. Ratio will be 9:3:3:1. Let us see how he has got this. So the traits we have selected was round, green, wrinkle, yellow. For the round is capital letter R. For green is small letter Y. Okay, wrinkle smaller. For the yellow it is a capital Y. Capital letters always represent your dominant characteristic. What we have to do? We have to select one from here and one from the other. RY. Okay, then same way R and capital letter Y. The same way I will be taking small r, capital Y, small y. By taking these four type of genes, I will be making a Punnett square. You see, this is a Punnett square. So I have written all the parts. The genes I have written in this way, the horizontal and the vertical. Just you have to multiply. So first, if we multiply here, this will be capital letter R, capital Y. This is capital R. Then it will be capital Y, small y. Okay, the rest I have already multiplied. Just you have to do the cross multiplication. Then after that, what we have to do? We have to see the phenotype and the genotype. So if we consider the phenotype, firstly I will be considering the round and yellow. For the round and yellow, both letters should be capital letter R and yellow should be both letters should be capital letter Y. Let us see how many are there. You see, capital letter Y. One is there. This is one, and no more is present. So this is round and yellow. This will also be round and yellow because one capital letter Y is there. 2. Okay. So round and yellow 1, 2 we have got. This is also will be round and yellow 3. This will be round and yellow 4. This will also be round and yellow 5. This will be not. Okay. This will be your round and green. So round and green I will be marking for this. Then this will be round and yellow. Okay. Then if I go to this one, this is round and green. Then this one will be round and yellow. This will again be round and yellow. Then if we consider this will be wrinkled and yellow. Wrinkled and yellow is this. Then this will be wrinkled and yellow 2. This will be round and yellow. This will be round and green. Round and green. This will be wrinkled and yellow. And this will be last one. This will be wrinkled and green. Okay. Now if you see the ratio here, you see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. So this is again 3. This is 1. So this is the ratio what we have got. 9:3:3:1. Okay. So this is the